Hi folks, I'm really excited to be sharing Gini's new budgeting template. I think that this is the best free budgeting template that anyone can find on the internet for small businesses and startups. I'd love to give you a quick tour and show you how it works. The top part here is a summary of all your income, expenses, net profit, and your retained earnings, and a few variables that I'll go through as well. Some simple charts, simple but useful. Income, expenses, earnings summary. You've got this earnings line that you want to be trending upwards. You've got a pie chart here, this little donut of monthly expenses. This is the average across the year, across your main categories. And below is the inputs, and this is where you put in what you think your income and expenses is going to be over the course of the year. And I'll show you how it works. Really quickly, the first thing you do is you enter your retained earnings from the previous year. This is where you where you keep your dividends. In this case, we took out all our dividends, and so we have no retained earnings. You pick your year, and once you do that, you can go down and start entering your income and expenses. We've got a lot of normal income categories for people to just start, entering their numbers in. For us, our main income is from specific clients, so we've put them down here. I have Dr. Drake Ramore, Dr. Farnsworth. These doctors, these are great customers of ours, and we make $10,000 a month from them. And you just enter them in. We can add another doctor, Dr. Chan. He also is costing $10,000 a month, or I'm sorry, we're earning $10,000 a month from him. And you can just use normal Google Sheets functions and drag them across, and they all complete and enter and get calculated in the summary above. Below, you've got total expenses, you have your COGS, sales and marketing, you've got research and development, you've got administration. I have a lot of payroll and sales and marketing, but I also have a number of salaried employees on payroll in the research and development, and I'll throw that in here as well. So I can just say $10,000 a month for that, drag that across. Drag that across, just using normal Google Sheets functions, and the whole sheet populates, and you can come back here and see that it takes it all into account. And yeah, that's a very simple and elegant way to make your budget for the next year. And if you want to use this budget in a cash flow forecast, you can do that. This is the Gini cash flow forecast model. And normally a company will just link their Xero or their QuickBooks Online account, and our machine learning algorithms will automatically create a forecast of a company's revenue, expenses, and whatnot. And that powers this cash and runway forecast, income expenses forecast, different parts of this model that also includes a capital and financing planner, headcount planners. But if you want to use your budgets, that's easily done as well, because we allow fully customized forecasts that you can use, that you can just enter manually. So how do you do that? It's really easy. All you got to do is go back to the budgeting template and right-click the tab underneath and say copy to, and you pick the spreadsheet that you want to take it to. And for us, it's the Gini spreadsheet. Once the sheet is copied over, you just need to go to the forecast type that you want to forecast, and under revenue, I'm going to click custom. So custom is exactly what you think it is. Just start putting in custom inputs. And this works just like any other spreadsheet. You can say equals, go to the tab you just copied, and say June, select June, press enter, and it passes right through. So you can just start copying that across, and all the data that you had in your budget will come right through. And that's it. Thanks very much, and let us know how it goes for you.